Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are very happy to see you here. And first of all, I want to say thank you to all of the people that joined our Patreon group, our Discord group. We are now have 99 people and a little bit more because some people decided to pay with Cardano instead. And yeah, thank you again. And of course, today we're going to be talking about our favorite crypto, Theta, and as well Cardano is doing amazing. We're very happy. These are our two biggest holdings. Okay, and let's take a look what we were talking in the past. So we were saying if we're gonna break out of this bull flag to the upside, our target gonna be 349 and probably 380. And how did we get to this target? Let's refresh our memory that we said we will be looking at these areas, and we said that usually we always overshoot the 1.61 and probably gonna be reaching the 2.23, which we have done, and now we started consolidating. And as well, of course, as you remember, we always take a look at our RSI, and we said, like every time before, if we're gonna break above this 65 on the RSI area, we gonna start seeing some explosive movements, which we have seen. Very nice upside. And as we start breaking it down, you could have seen that we probably gonna start going down. And now again, we finding our support on this area, so we want to make sure we're not breaking below it, and hopefully we're not. It would be very nice to see us continue finding support here. And as the bull market continue going up, there we're just gonna be keep trending up. But we yet to see and yet to know what's gonna happen with that. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen in the near future. What I think, as you remember, when we broke this very strong resistance, we came back to test it 1, 2, 3, 4 times before we were able to continue to the upside. What happened here when we saw here some resistance at $1.70. After we broke this resistance, we came back to test it once, twice, and then we could continue going up. So what we can say is happening right now. We have some resistance here. Obviously, we start going down. We are reach our first support. We didn't quite reach our second support. And this was very short-lived, and we were saying that below $3, for me, Theta is like a gift, and we received this gift for a very short time, and then it's again jump above $3, and probably we might see again Theta below 3 if we're gonna be doing something like this, creating maybe yet another bull flag. So we wanna see it bouncing between these areas before we can start seeing some potential upside. So what areas for me are buying areas? We see again here we found some very strong resistance. Here we found some resistance, and then we kind of came back to test this area, and this is the area that I will be looking for to accumulate a little bit more if we get here. And probably for me, I think the lowest we will see it's $2.16. If we're gonna get there, we will find out, but I'm very doubtful. But if we are, this is definitely a buying area for me, because I don't think we're going any lower than that. And as well, these are my first buying areas if we're gonna be getting here again, and I want to see us continue maybe sideways trading like we did here. And as you remember, it took us quite a while. It wasn't 36 days, which is can feel quite a while in crypto, but actually it's nothing compared to the gains we saw after this short consolidation. So what are our next targets and what I'm thinking will be happening? If we're gonna continue consolidate here, we can try to measure and see where can we get. Plus, if we are building something like this, like the bull flag that we measured from here, and we put it here, let's see if we're gonna do something like that. So this will be at this area. Let's see what might happen. So we're gonna take from our support and see where we go. we are heading to $5. And again, as we've seen before, our target comes between 1.61 and 2.23. And last time when we had the same thing, we overshot and we reached this area, the 2.23. So let's see if Theta will be able to do it again after some consolidation period of time. So I'll be looking at these areas, and if we'll be able to break above it, we might see even 5.60. Again, not sure, but we'll be following it. And as well, my friends, pay attention always to RSI, and if we'll see that the RSI be able to break it, we can tell that we found few times resistance, and this is a very important area for Theta. As we see, we find resistance, we find support. It's been a very, very important level for a long time, and I'm hoping we're gonna be able to continue going up, and if we can stay above it in our bull run, we're gonna be seeing some explosive moves. If we can be able to find support all the time on this area, it's gonna be a crazy ride. But for now, we're still below, and I'm looking for it to go above it. And again, make sure you put this trend line and see if we're broken down. We might see some lower prices and some better entry areas and better cost averaging. Okay, so these are the areas. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah, overall, it was an amazing ride. I am very happy with what Theta doing. And if we see a better prices, it's great. If not, then I hope you all loaded and ready to go higher. Again, it probably might take some time. As we seen the last time, it took us quite a while. So if we see consolidation, we can take, let's say from here, we might take probably mid-March or sometime there before we break out. But again, it's only speculation at this point of time, and we're gonna see if it's gonna work out or not. Thank you so much for joining us again. We really appreciate all your likes, all your comments on our videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And please, as well, if you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you, my friends, and adios.